Alright, so here's the competition's product. This is Joe Hill from the No-Spill Spout. So now you can see how kind of flimsy and cheap this thing is. But it is what it is. And so it's kind of weird the way that this thing fits on here, but it does fit. Now, we're going to pour this into here. Now you can see how it does fill in, and it does pour nice. And you get, what's kind of nice is the way that you can actually see the actual liquid as it's going in. Now stopping it is what's kind of interesting. So, and you still get it, like if that were bleach, I would have bleach over me and over whatever else. So now let's try that again. And so it definitely does work. I mean, it definitely does the job. But you can see, even as you want to stop, it's a little bit of an effort. It's a little bit different than what you'd expect from the No-Spill Spout. So definitely different. Still a good product, but not as good as the No-Spill Spout. And it's dripping.